In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective sales chatbot for your online electronics store using ChatGPT. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your sales game, stay tuned for a detailed walkthrough. To kick things off, we'll begin by opening up ChatGPT. Head on over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, it's time to start a fresh chat, which will serve as the foundation for crafting your sales assistant. Now, it's crucial to define the role of your sales chatbot. Think of it as setting a clear objective right from the get-go. For instance, you could have it act as a sales chatbot dedicated to an online electronics store. The core tasks would be greeting customers, showcasing products, and ultimately persuading them to make a purchase. Setting these parameters from the start helps tailor your chatbot's interactions to align perfectly with your store's goals. Next up, let's provide some detailed product information for the chatbot to work with. Consider offering a range of products and a snippet about each. For example, you might include Smartphone X, which is priced at $699, known for its fast performance and excellent camera, or perhaps Laptop Y for $1,099, prized for being lightweight with a long battery life. And don't forget, Headphone Z at $199, featuring noise cancellation and wireless capability. By equipping the chatbot with these enticing product details, it can engage customers with vibrant and informative pitches. After setting up product descriptions, it's time to layer on persuasive selling techniques. These are strategies to amplify the chatbot's effectiveness. Specify responses that highlight urgency and benefits. Perhaps the chatbot can mention limited-time discounts or emphasize a product's bestseller status to create a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, that is, which nudges customers closer to making a purchase. Customization is the key to truly resonating with your customers. Tailor responses based on customer needs and inquiries. For example, if a customer mentions they need a laptop for travel and work, the chatbot can suggest Laptop Y, providing reasons like its portability and robust battery life that align with their specific needs. Deploying the chatbot comes next. You've got several options for this. You could integrate it on your website through platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or WordPress plugins. Alternatively, you can roll it out on social media channels such as Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. And don't forget the option of syncing it with sales CRM integrations for more streamlined management. Lastly, it's vital to test and refine your setup. Simulate conversations with potential customers to see how the chatbot performs. Pay attention to the tone, upselling techniques, and ensure the FAQs are clear, concise, and helpful. This ongoing refinement process ensures that your chatbot offers the smoothest possible interactions with your customers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a compelling sales chatbot for your online electronics store. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to increasing engagement and boosting your sales. Thanks for watching.